Well,
Sweetie, we hadn't decided where we're
FSTS 41A was supposed to launch 8 days before my camera flip over remote was turned 2, and he turned 2 the day it launched. Yeah, what's going on? But today, for our topic of plane problem on Independence Day, we since it's Independence Day, July 4th, so if we tune up with the topic, it's gonna be an awesome show. About 16 minutes. La la la. And his flip over would say, "Holy!" Welcome to our live show for Monday, July 4th, 2011, 1.05, Independence Day. I know I wasn't actually going to do a live show today, but then I just keep thinking of something that's going to go on the Flip Shuttle program for something about that certain day or like where I am, and I want to do a live show about it. This one's about something that all the cameras that are going on 41C are thinking about. They're thinking about adding the American flag to the credit card deck NASA symbol. It's the credit card deck symbol plus the NASA symbol. What do you think? Credit card deck NASA. That's one of my favorite records. That is one of my favorite records. I was looking at yesterday's live show on YouTube. I'm sure you should read the descriptions of all our live shows. They give a good description of the video. They basically tell you what it's all about. Anyway, speaking of the credit card deck, we do have a big plane mischief going on today. Airplane mischief. We're having at our Toy Credit Card Deck Airport planning system, we've had this big flight set. I'd call it the National Airport for the videos, but still, we're having an awesome car show here. As you can see, those are both Mazdas. No, really, that's a Hummer. I like to call it a Mazda. That really is a Mustang PV. Those are the Southwest Airlines servicers, the other ones in the other room, including the Southwest Airlines. That's a shuttle carrier aircraft. Air Force One. Gigantic airplane, though. I'm missing a lot of pieces, too. That's that Southwest Airline I was talking about. Here's an A320 Alaska Airlines cargo plane. Space shuttle. But, yeah, there's the United Boeing 747. That's an Airbus A320, and we had the shuttle carrier aircraft at Boeing. The thing with the plane mischief is that, we had this airplane show going on, and now we're having a car show going on with the servicing cars from the airport. We've had a lot of like break-offs. Like look at that. That's a piece of one of the cars. That's the top of one of the cars that broke off. And anyway, back to our topic of them. So I'm gonna have to show you what the credit card deck NASA symbol looks like right now. I didn't draw one up, and now I'm in the middle of the video, so I don't know. Now, you gotta remember this back from our June 17th show about the 41A Launch Club. Remember when Brandon, Mr. Jersey, was talking about how if we had to reschedule 41A to today, might be a bad idea. Well, I'm so glad that it did launch on the 18th, because Launched at 6:29 p.m. on June 18th, 41A. And now we're stuck on the big 41C scrub. It recently got scrubbed 10 days, but we're getting close to the launch date. I'm totally ready to go, except for that they haven't fixed the onboard computer. Wait, they've got 2 days before they have to re-roll out, so. I mean, and then they've got July 7th and July 8th for the payload. So they, maybe they just don't really do anything. July 7th have to roll out, and then July 8th they do all the RSS stuff. And then July 9th is just launch. I tried to do a live show on the 8th about the final regular shuttle launch, and then I'll try to do it on the 9th about it. Because then I could also get the 41C launch. Now, if I do it on the 9th, it's going to be really early in the morning. Then I have to launch 41C. And, just time in the middle of the way. Well, July 9th. Hey, wait, that's a Saturday. We don't have to launch it early in the morning. 29th is a Wednesday. So, I mean, there's been a whole area planning for, flight. So, I mean, randomly, I've been doing a plan between I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, back to that topic. Well, now, actually, the main topic of this live show, believe it or not, I think is, yeah, I think it's about our plane, the plane mischief. Plane mischief on airplane problem on Independence Day. That's what I'm calling the live show. Airplane problem on Independence Day. Live show 1.05. So, I know that I'm switching this around. So now 1.06 becomes 1.07. 1.0, what was supposed to be 5 becomes 1.06. Now, if you look at the live show before it, you know how at the very beginning I was saying, even though the 51A thing happens after 1.06 is in August, I bet we'll be able to launch 41C by the 9th. We'll get all the results if I don't make it on time. I will make it on time on July 8th to be able to watch Atlantis and launch STS-135. Talking about the regular shuttle program. Flip shuttle program, way different. 41C, 12th mission of the program, not 135th. Plus, there's going to be a lot more than 135 missions on the program. My planner's up there. I mean, I also had to scrub it 10 days because I needed enough time to look for the planner. I found it earlier, but the cameras still haven't fixed the onboard computer. Now, if we can get it fixed on the 7th, believe it or not, we might be able to launch on the 8th, which would be really, 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 really awesome. 2 shuttle launches in 1 day. I mean, they're not both regular shuttle. One's a flip shuttle. One's When did 41C roll out? Whoa! Well, when did 41B launch? 41B launched on 20th. Yeah, June 20th. Yeah. So 41C rolled out on June 21st. So that means it's been rolled out. It's been I mean, it was scheduled to be rolled out for more than 10 days by now if we didn't have to roll back on 29th after the onboard computer shut down. It's actually a little before we had the launch scheduled. The crew was already in there about 2 hours before launch. One of the onboard computers immediately shut down. And they gave an estimate of 10 days to fix it. Plus, I needed my planner. So, anyway, want to know something about this plane problem? I think my toy airplanes are looking at my front screen thing for too long. Weirdest plane in the world, I guess. Look at that. Cockpit area, turbofan engine. I'm not sure if that's a turbofan, but it's an airplane engine. Now, if we can get a little off the topic of credit card deck NASA, get to the topic of regular NASA, that we have, this is about a plane problem. This is kind of on the topic of planes. Virgin Galactic. It's a future, it's a future planned space program, kind of like Constellation, which I hope makes it. Direct has to replace it. Direct's probably already made it to replace it, but Direct still had something similar with Constellation. Same things. Altair, Orion. Can get launched on one Direct rocket at the same time. So, what was I saying? Yeah, Virgin Galactic is basically a free-ship, like a free, cockpit area ship. I bet it's only 2 ships. This one big carrying one, and this other, little ship that actually goes into space called VSS Enterprise. So, they've only been testing for it. The other one that's not VSS Enterprise, the one that stuck together because it's the carrying thing, the thing that carries VSS Enterprise, has airplane engines. I mean, it's kind of all the topic of airplanes. I mean, it's, see this, like that, except not the same color. So, the thing, now, I'm gonna do a little pause here, and then I'll get some extra batteries for it. So, and then I'll get some extra batteries for it. It's running out. So I'm going to pause for a second, get it new batteries, and then I'll get back, okay? Here. I just deal with the batteries. Now, we do have guests today, my toy airplanes. Southwest Airplane. Alaska Airplane. Antonov Airplane. This is Orbiter spaceship. Oh wait, that's not Orbiter. Oh, where is Orbiter? Here's Orbiter. And that is 747 airplane. Nicknames United. In the other room, we have 747 SCA. I'll get 747 SCA. Missing front wheel. And, well, Force is an Air Force One, so seriously, how does that have anything to do with this? I mean, this is all about a plane problem on Independence Day. That's why I'm doing it on Independence Day. So, this plane's a special guest today because you know what it's about. We had a plane video show earlier. It started all last night when I got Alaska at I got a toy video of I pretended that my new desk was the LA airport, and then I used Alaska as an Airbus A320. Really, Alaska really is an Airbus A320 if you look at it. And then a toy A320. Then actually started the video set, and then in the other room I pretended it was the National Airport on our dresser. Pretended our dresser was the National Airport. And then, well, what was I saying? Yeah, and then I have to pretend the dresser was in there. But there I got a video of United. I got a video of Southwest and Antonov. And then this morning, the show carried on back to LA with Southwest Antonov United. Now, I didn't get 747 SCA on any of the videos because 747 SCA is also a Boeing 747-400, just like United. Actually, I'm not sure about the 400, but they're both 747s. I would actually say Alaska's the A320-200. I'm not sure. Now, we can get off the topic. Engines, plane engines. They've been making a loud noise on this plane show. I'm talking about this engine on this plane. This engine, this plane. It's even marked. Little mini mark. Oh wait, that's on both of them. It's the side with the small A over here instead of over the door. This one, it's on the MBX wing side, closest to the body of the plane. That one. On the United, it's this one. That's closest to the side that even still has the stickers. For some reason, they're always getting this way that I can remember. Like on Southwest, it's okay, except for on Southwest. The one with an N on the side that's close to the cockpit. So, well, they just gave me a way to remember, because they're using the right engine. That would give me a good way. In fact, Southwest only got 2 engines, same with Alaska, so no matter what, they would be giving me out the answer. Now, Antonov and 747, anyway, they have 4 engines. They wouldn't give me a hint no matter what. I mean, like, oh wait, yes they would. Well, yeah. On Antonov, it could be like outer MBX, inner MBX, outer cargo, inner cargo. And here it could be outer sticker, inner sticker. Inner non-sticker, outer non-sticker. Those are my hints, so actually no matter what, I could get one. From all 4 of them. Now, 747 SCA. I don't think so. Right. On the side that says NASA. Oh wait, that goes through. It's a NASA plane, as you know it. It's supposed to carry that. Look at the time, it's going to run out soon. Now, before we stop, just want to say that this being, now 1.07 is the one about 41C, because of this show, in fact. If you see something about 41A at the beginning of this, I do have something to say about 41A. Now, is this a pilot or a mission specialist? Yeah, one of the mission specialists was supposed to still be 1 when it launched, but it got scrubbed 8 days, and it turned 2 the day it launched. That's the weird thing. You'll know that at the beginning, too. And that's all for today. Monday, July 4th, 2011, 1.05, Independence Day! Anyway, happy July 4th!